Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial, how to use a free app on your Android device to blur faces in photos. This is perfect for protecting privacy, editing family pics, or even creating anonymous social media posts. With 2025 bringing even more advanced features, let's get started right away. First things first, you'll need to download a reliable free app. I recommend Snapseed, which is available on the Google Play Store. It's completely free and packed with editing tools. Head over to the Play Store, search for Snapseed, and hit install. Once it's downloaded, open the app and grant any necessary permissions for photo access. Now, select the photo you want to edit from your gallery. Snapseed has an intuitive interface, so tap on Open and choose your image. Next, look for the editing tools, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Scroll until you find the Healing or Brush tool, which often includes blurring options. In 2025, many apps like this have enhanced AI for automatic face detection, so tap on that feature if available. It will highlight the faces in your photo. Once the faces are detected, select the Blur tool. Adjust the brush size and intensity to your liking. Maybe start with a medium blur for a natural look. Carefully paint over the faces you want to obscure. Zoom in if needed for precision. After you're happy with the edits, hit the Save button. You can choose to save it as a new file to keep the original intact. And there you have it. Your photo is now privacy protected and ready to share. This method is quick, effective, and works on most Android devices. Remember, always respect people's privacy when editing photos. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.